Yo, what's good guys? We're going to keep riding the meme coin wave at the moment, and today we're checking out DogeBonk, which has performed really well over the last 7 days, as we can see. But if you're new to the channel, do smash that subscribe button, like and comment. I do appreciate your support massively. You can see just in the last few days this project actually knocked off a zero and did like a 2x in the last week, so it does reflect that these meme coins do have amazing potential even in these bear markets. So let's have a little look at what this project is. Only an $8.3 million market cap, so the chance of a 5 to 10x is very much real. We are looking at another meme coin on this video too at the end of this video, or about halfway through, so do stick around if you want to see the next potential 100x cryptocurrency. So let's crack on with DogeBonk. What is DogeBonk? Well, this is it right here. The first cryptocurrency sent into space. Elon, Reddit's meme of the year, home of meme tools, and the most loved crypto by gamer girls. Missed out on Dogecoin? Bonk it. So this is quite cool. I'm not entirely sure why we got such a big price pump recently, but we've certainly seen a huge influx of volume. Quite obvious they've got some big names they've partnered with, Zcash, BitMEX, things like this, and I do quite like the website. It's very easy to kind of navigate and read. It even looks like they have an actual working game, as we see here. I've got this kind of like scrolly sort of side scrolling game. Kind of reminds me of like Super Mario or something like that. So really cool. I totally like the website. They've got burning, they've got a total supply here of some crazy number, I'm not sure what that is, and they have quite a fair bit of PancakeSwap liquidity. One thing I'm not a huge fan of is the 10% taxation on all transactions, because usually it's just not really something you want to see unless it's going to be burnt. 5% is distributed to Dobo holders just for holding their tokens, and 5% is added to a forever locked liquidity pool. That's quite good actually. That's like a DPLP system, so this is not bad, but we don't know who has access to that liquidity pool and when it could be withdrawn, because they say it's forever locked, but it doesn't mean it will be forever locked, right? This is where crypto can become a little bit centralized, so to speak. And the alternative is, of course, PancakeSwap with a 12% slippage over there. Here's the timeline. You can see this basically shows us everything, all the major protocol upgrades, so they're super transparent with that, which I do quite like as well. We can see May 2022, the last thing was Meme Tools partners with Moonscan, so I do like what I see here. They've also got this memetools.app, which kind of highlights all these meme coins that have recently listed. As we can see, we've had some new ones recently uploaded here just from a few days ago, which is quite nice. So if you are also navigating and looking for more meme coins, this is quite a nice website to actually help you do so. Here is the DogeBonk on the price analysis side of things. So we're just going to quickly navigate this, and I think this is where technical analysis is just so beautiful, because look at this massive rally that we had. Let me just find some tools first. We can see, for example, the price range here from the bottom in June. We have made a 4x right from the bottom. That is absolutely crazy stuff. And if we just quickly pull up our Fibonacci extension or resistance, we can start to see where we might make a correction. So we've got this to help us at the moment, and we can see, just looking at the analysis, well, first of all, really impressive pump here. Really impressive. We're talking about a 4x from the bottom just in June, so you'd have made some crazy returns. This now does of course mean that this project is a bit overextended. There's been a lot of hype already, so if we pull our Fibonacci retracement tool, we can see that we've just corrected down below that 0.236 at the 0.00000015 price level. Now why is that important? Well, you can see we got rejected at this resistance here from a previous swing high on the 29th of April 2022. Don't sneeze. And yeah, so that key area here, this is a resistance level. We got rejected, and we see that continuation to the downside. That's why we're now trading at the 0.00000014 price level. We did get a healthy surge of volume as well, which really helped with the price, but it has been pretty parabolic over the last few days. If we look at the daily time frame, you can see it's just huge green candles, so we are getting that slight pullback. If we lose the support level at the 0.00000014 level, what we can do is just use our fib retracement once again, and that will give us kind of a pragmatic sort of gauge on where we could correct down to. Usually coins like this are so volatile, so depending on where the volume actually came from and the liquidity itself will obviously depend on how much volatility we will see. So for example, if a whale was to sell right now, or if we just see an offload or a large selling pressure, or Bitcoin reverses bearishly, we could easily still come back down to this 0.618 here, looking at the 0.000000009 level. So that could also possibly happen. It's probably not the best advice to say, FOMO in and chase the green candles. I do think, looking retrospectively, this project has a long way to go for its road to recovery. It's extremely undervalued, and in my opinion, this looks almost a bit scammy. This is a typical 99% altcoin correction. So I would like to see at least a recovery for this project to around the 0.0000056 level at some point in the next crypto bull run. Do I think it will ever hit an all-time high? I honestly don't think so. I mean, we're sitting at an $8 million market cap, and I think the circulating supply does not help the fact that it is just so high for a meme coin, and this clearly is a demonstration of an obvious rug pull. The price has come up, all the whales have just sold their position, and it's been a constant downtrend ever since we've put through lower highs and lower lows simultaneously, and we still are yet to put through a higher high until we come up to this region over here. So I don't feel particularly bullish on the price action. I think it's great to see that, of course, the extreme fiat environment can offer big returns, but in my opinion, I'm going to stay away from this project. This is DogeBonk, 8,800 followers, the first crypto sent into space, so pretty cool to see. But in my opinion, I don't think we're going to see any crazy stuff happen for a long time for this project. Now, I do think there is an alternative, so I'm going to share that with you right now, and it's something in pre-sale at the moment known as Tamadoge, the play to earn Dogecoin. This just sold out recently of a beta sale. It's still in pre-sale, which will probably end in Q4 2022 with a hard cap of $19 million, but you can see in 2 weeks they already sold $2 million worth. So there's loads of traction, and I think this has got potential to be the next top 10 meme coin right here. The marketing's on point. They're solid proof audited as well, so they are safe and not marked as a scam, and also it's rug pull proof as well, as we see, fully verified by Coin Sniper. You have Tamadoge pets like NFTs you can look after. There's going to be a pet store coming out as well. You've got the Tamadoge leaderboards, and I really love the tokenomics of this project. Only 2 billion are in supply, and 600 million will be left in reserve for centralized exchanges as well. So yeah, really bullish, lovely roadmap all the way through to the end of next year. So we know that the vision is long term, and we can see, looking here at the pre-sale, let's give it a refresh. Where are we now? $3.968 million. So this thing is moving quick, and you can see here there's only this much TAMA remaining until the price does go up. So when we hit 4.75 million, which is around 25% of the pre-sale, we're going to see the cost per unit, or the cost per TAMA per dollar, go up. So if you want the most cost-effective entry, not financial advice of course, but now is a great time to be buying this particular project. So I think it's going to go parabolic upon launch once it does hit those centralized exchanges. Little FYI, is actually going to be launched on the L-Bank centralized exchange as well, which is super bullish. So I imagine more exchanges are in the pipeline for this project. In addition, Tamadoge are also doing a $100,000 giveaway. That is a crazy amount. They're also doing a $3,000 giveaway as well. I'm going to leave that for you down in the description. Make sure you check out their socials too. 44k followers on Twitter. Welcome to the Tamaverse. So yeah, Tamadoge Army, this is for you meme coiners who love this sort of stuff, DeFi degens. Do check out this project because I'm so excited to see the potential of Tamadoge. It's going to be one of the biggest meme coins ever to hit the crypto space, boys and girls. So don't say I didn't warn you, but this project could go pretty parabolic in the future. Of course, it's not financial advice. I'm just someone that makes YouTube videos, but these are the sort of high risk, high reward projects I do like to navigate and look for during the crypto bear markets, whilst everything's a little bit more sideways. Because once you make your 10 to 100x, if you make your 10 to 100x, that's when you sort of convert your Bitcoin, or so your crypto, your gains, into those blue chips like Bitcoin and Ethereum. So yeah, let me know what you think of Tamadoge. What do you think is going to be more successful this year? Do you think DogeBonk has more potential? Or do you think Tamadoge will be one that will actually put even some of the blue chip meme coins like Shiba, Floki, Hoj, or Dogecoin up to a challenge? I mean, I am very excited to see what's going to happen here. Tamadoge, I think, is a real gem, and very lucky to have found this deflationary, tax-free project. so there's no tax. Let's also take that into consideration. Anyways, guys, I shall see you soon. Subscribe to the channel, come and visit my Discord and Telegram below, and check all the free links and all the exciting free educational content down below. The Learn to Trade, look at the Business 2 community website, get familiar, and check out Tamadoge. Give them some research and give them a bit of love. I'll see you soon now. Bye.